Hi, you can call me Cyrus. I am an ethical hacker, cybersecurity specialist, and SOC analyst with 2 years of experience in securing networks, identifying vulnerabilities, and responding to cyber threats. My expertise spans network security, digital forensics, and threat analysis. I have hands-on experience in detecting security breaches, analyzing incidents, and implementing preventive measures to protect critical systems and data. I'm passionate about finding innovative solutions to mitigate risks and enhance an organization's security posture. My commitment to continuous learning and attention to detail help me deliver effective security solutions. I thrive in challenging environments and am dedicated to safeguarding digital assets from evolving cyber threats. Let's work together to strengthen and secure your infrastructure.